So next is I'll be talking about the computer hardware. So there are the basic functions of computer. So there are four main equipment functions of a computer system: the input processing, the storage, and the output. So what is hardware? So it is a physical devices or the aspect of a computer, or the computer hardware can be classified into two: the CPU, central processing unit, and the peripherals. This is the computer peripherals, or the input or the output. And input devices allow the users to input data and instruction to the computer. So a lot of examples of input devices, which is the keyboard. So 1875, Christopher Latham Sholes, the father of typewriter, invented the first practical typewriter. The QWERTY keyboard, or the enhanced, has 101 keys. So it's an electronic typewriter keyboard. Next is the examples of input devices. So keyboard, three types of key. First is the alphanumeric keys, the punctuation keys, the special keys, or the alt, arrow or navigation, backspace, caps lock, CTRL, delete, enter or ESC, function, insert, PRTSC, home, and page down or the page up. Next is the examples of devices, the three types of mouse: the mechanical, the mechanical mouse, the optical mouse. So a common terms used with mouse direction or the action: the point or the hover over, the click, the double click, and the drag and select. So light pen consists of stylus connected by a cable to the computer. Next is your trackball. This is a trackball originally built into keyboard. Use hand over the trackball to move the cursor on the screen. Next is the joystick. This is the joystick. A small vertical stick attached to the trackball is for easier mechanical movements. So next is the scanner. The convert hard copy to soft copy. Direct entry input device. Next is the barcode scanner. So barcode scanner, it is used as optical scanner to read barcode and converts it into the electrical pulses or simply characters. Next is the voice recognition system. So special microphone used to capture voice as an input converts voice into electrical pulses to digital signals, then transmission to a computer. Limited vocabulary of words, voice command, and the digital cameras used to capture images or the digitally. And let's talk about the output devices. So output devices display the result of the computer. So there are examples of output devices. First is the visual display unit or the monitor. So television-like screens that provide the user interface in the form of displaying text, numbers, and images. So it can be monochrome or colored. So next is the audio response system or the speaker. It can produce verbal output or sound. Next is the printer. So it produces hard copy output. So three broad groups of printers: the character printer, the line printers, and the page printers. So classification of printers: impact printers or non-impact printers. Next is the character printers or dot matrix printer or the DMP. It prints one character at a time. Produce dotted output because of the pins of the print head. Speed is measured by CPS or the character per second or the 50 to 600 CPS. It produces a lot of noise. Uses ribbon as an ink. So character printer or the inkjet printer, non-impact printer required when working, gives better quality, available in black or white and color. So next is the graphic plotter. It is used for large format media, graphs, maps, billboards, and tarpaulin. Next is the drum printer. So it uses powder as an ink. Available color is the grayscale. Next is the laser printer. So high-end printer, the more expensive than inkjet printers. Available color grayscale. Next is the magnetic printer. So drum coated with magnetic material that capture the image of the page to be printed. It used the thermal papers. And next is storage devices. So primary memory or the main memory. So there are types of memory. First is the RAM or the random access memory. Volatile losses, it contents if the device is electrically disconnected. Temporary holding area for data, application, programs, instruction, and operating system or the OS, aka waiting room. So next is the example of secondary memory or the storage device. So magnetic disk, direct access made of rigid materials or the symmetric plastic materials, the hard disk and the floppy disk. So examples of secondary memory, the storage device, the magnetic tape, the serial access storage medium, the reels up to 3,600 feet made of mylar plastic tape, and can store large volume of data at low cost. Next is the optical storage. So information is written to or written from an optical disc or tape using laser beam, also known as laser disc, the CD-ROM, the CDR, the CDRW, the DVD-ROM, the DVD-RW, the DVD-R, and the Blu-ray. Next is the solid state storage. It's sometimes called the flash memory, the erasable or the rewritable, and the flash drive, the pen drive, and the memory card, or the SD or the MMC. Next is the processing unit or the PU. So there are examples of processing unit. The CPU, the central processing unit, also known as processor brain of the computer, containing a ALU or the ALU or the arithmetic logical unit and control unit. Without the help of chips or chipset, the CPU is useless. So next is the GPU or the graphics processing unit. So it is used to manage and boost the performance of video and graphics. Its features are designed to lessen the work of CPU and mobile phones, display adapters, workstation, game console, developed by NVIDIA in 1999, the GeForce 256. Next is the internal component. So there are examples of internal component, which is the motherboard, its main circuit board of a computer, main board, system board, or the MOBO or the MOBO. So inside motherboard, there are the CMOS, the complementary metal oxide, the semiconductor. So on board, battery powder, semiconductor chip, or the chip that prevent up-to-date your computer, uses CMOS coin cell battery to power the CMOS memory. Next is the expansion of slots, the expansion slot. So it is used to insert expansion card, circuit board which provide additional features to a computer such as video, audio, and the internet. So next is the AGP or the Accelerated Graphics Port. So based on PCI design for 3D developed by Intel, the memory slots, memory socket, the RAM or the ROM slot can be 2 or more memory slots depends on a motherboard. Next is the calling fan. So it is used for active calling. Next is the power supply. So power supply unit or the PSU, component that supplies a power to a computer. Next is the physical docking point of an external device. Next is the computer software. So this is the Microsoft Word 2013 which nagagamit ito ni siya. If mo kwanta mga letters or words mo kwanta ni mo encode. And there Microsoft Word 2013, the Notepad mo ni siya. The Command Prompt or the CMD mo ni siya. The Graphical User Interface or the GUI, the icon and bottom. Miniature image that represent a program and instruction of some other object, the icon, double click, the button, the single click. Next is, there are two categories of software, the system software and the application software. So, natakol naman nato ito siya. So, ano na siya? Thank you, that's all.